Hello guys, Kirill from Skydrones here. Welcome to John Le Pen, France. It's lovely weather today. This is my 7th podcast about drone industry and market trends. I have already talked quite a few times regarding the importance of communication and how it's getting to the next level this year. Today I would like to further continue explaining why it's becoming so crucial for drones. A decade ago, most of the drones were about just flying. Now drones are about collecting data, transporting things, flying far beyond visual line of sight. Earlier this year, we have introduced SmartLink. This is broadband digital communication system. Cool thing about it that it's not only allows you to transmit HD video, telemetry and control over the range up to 20 kilometers, but thanks to integrated board viewer, it's also very flexible and customizable system. Recently, Skydrones team implemented 4G LTE support and Iridium satellite communication support on top of SmartLink. Therefore, it makes system radio communication triple redundant. We are very surprised after doing some work on video streaming latency optimization. In most cases, it turns out to be less than half second. In other cases, less than a second. Of course, it's not suitable for drone racing flights, but it's more than enough for FPV flights in manual GPS-assisted flight modes. It opens huge amount of opportunities. For instance, drone pilot flies and has video feed on his ground tablet, while other two parties observe real-time video feed on their desktop sitting in offices on different sides of the Earth, for example. And this is what Skydrones customers are already capable of now and using at the moment. And yeah, it's also worth mentioning that all these latest features are fully integrated in SmartEV GCS, making them intuitive and easy to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.